testing, or you can call it as a software testing. Okay. When we do any configuration or any development or anything in CRM, that time we test it also. Each and every phase or each and everything we test it. Even each button, everything. If you are clicking save something, system is able to save that one or not. That kind of testing we do. If we are going back, we are able to go back or not. Each and everything we test. I'll show you in web UI. First I will open. Log on. Channel, please mute yourself. Good. So whenever you have doubt, you can unmute and you can ask me. I'll select sales professional. Oh, it's not opening. I'll try in some other server. Whenever we do testing, that time we write test cases also. Scenario wise or something, we write test cases. I'll show you one sheet. See this. These test cases are based on account. First test case, or you can say this is the scenario, verify whether the user able to create one successful account without showing error. What they are telling, when we go to account management, suppose I want to create a new account, click individual account. Give first name, last name, house number, street, something, and save it. This is the test case. So what they are telling, verify whether user is able to create one successful account or not. This is the one test case. Second, verify whether user is able to edit the field which are in editable mode of existing account. See, now next test case is, cancel that one again. This is for the existing account. So I'll open some existing account, click accounts, search, select some account, and click edit. So user is able to edit the field which are in editable mode. I click edit. So can I edit the field? So this is another test case. So if you are, sometime we may get error. If we are getting error, we will report that error. Like that, we have to write the scenario. Verify whether the user are able to create or maintain notes. This is another scenario. There is one notes assignment block. Okay, so we are able to write the notes or not. That is another scenario. Okay. Like that, there are a lot of things. Verify whether the attachment assignment block is displaying for the account or not. There is one attachment assignment block. If you go to this page, somewhere there is one attachment assignment block. Like roles is there, is industry, contact. There may be one attachment assignment block. So can we upload anything from that attachment? That is another scenario. See, the concept is like that. It depends upon your logical thinking. What are the things you can cover? Maybe you did one configuration, but that configuration will affect at so many places. Okay, so we have to think like that. As many as scenario we have to cover. We'll try to find out all possible scenario and we'll start writing the test cases. I'll show you one more sheet. Sales order. Scenario, what is the scenario? This is the functional test case. This is the test case ID. See, format may be different, depend upon company to company. That I am showing you one format. Creation of sales order from the account screen in CRM. So what is this? They are in the account screen. Creation of sales order from account screen. Somewhere you will get sales order not showing here. Just a minute. Some pop-up is blocked. Sales order is there. Wait, I will add. Close this previous window. Sales professional. Go to account management, accounts, search any account. See, what is the test case? Creation of sales order from account page. This is the account page, and we will create one sales order. This is our test case. This is the sales order assignment block. Click new. Choose something. Suppose high sales order. I'm selecting. This is the sales order page. If you want to enter any product, you can enter any product here also. Then save it. I'm not entering anything. You have to mention. Click save. Same thing we have mentioned here. Create sales order from account view page of the account in CRM. Verify whether the created sales order is displayed in sales order assignment block of the customer and sales order screen. So it will display in two places. It will display in two places. One in sales order, another one is customer screen. These are the steps. First, log into CRM. Second step, search for a customer. Third step, go to sales order assignment block and create sales order and save it. Same thing I did. Now this is a verification. Verification test case means always you have to do verify. Search for a created sales order. Now we will search sales order. Now we are verifying. Verify whether the created sales order is displayed in sales order assignment block of the customer and sales order screen. This is our test case and this is the verification. Whenever you do, here some error came because I have not entered all data. Organization unit, service, when you enter all data, that error will go off. Okay, so this is our test case. Like that. And this was the author. Author means the person who created this test case, who tested this. A review by, this is the manager name. Review status, if he will review, we will put it reviewed or something. This is some document ID. A result. Result means if it is fail, you have to mention fail. And if you are writing fail, fail means some error came. You have to write the remark here if you found any error. Okay, like that we have to maintain the document. I'll show you some failed test cases I have any. not reviewed. This one, see, this is the fail test case. Fail means some error came. Where it went? Just a minute. See, this is the fail test case. I'll check, but you will get confused. I'll show you something. OCR, I have to explain OCR. Suppose this is the test case only and it is fail. When we are creating sales order, it is not saving in sales order. So what we will mention here, result fail, okay, remarks, sales order is not saved in account page, something for your identification will mention, and fail will give in red color. Like that you have to do testing. One module, more than 10-20 test cases will come. See, for creation of sales order only I have 3 scenarios. One is from account screen, another is from sales order page, another is one for calendar page. Like that you have to think. This is only for a sales order. You have to, then you will go to customer, then you will go to lead, opportunity. There will be, and it is not necessary only you will cover. Maybe one will take account management, another one will take sales order, another one will take business partner. It depends. Testing is a long process. One person can't perform the complete testing. It takes long time to finish complete testing. Once this thing is over, suppose you found some bugs, just for example. So what you will do? Again you will maintain one more sheet. That we call as a defect tracking sheet. Let me check if I have, yes. Okay, we call it as a defect tracking sheet. See here, this is the description. I'll show you simple one. Country name is not displayed if country code is entered manually without choosing from the list. So Vignesh, we have to not randomly, we have to do testing always. Testing is the mandatory process. There is no software implementation without any testing. Even if you are developing a small field also, for that also we will test, we will write the test case and we will submit it to the client. Even suppose you have changed the logo, suppose you have changed something, you have to test that one also. And there is one kind of performance testing also, Vignesh. That is not part of, I am telling you, suppose you are running CRM in laptop. Just for example, what are the area, sometime it happens, same software which we develop, sometime it will throw error in laptop. It will not open properly, some layout will get changed, it happens. And same thing when we open in desktop, maybe it will work. If we change the monitor size, what will happen? How much time it will take to open CRM web UI? When we open web UI, it takes start CRM web client, some message comes now. How much time it takes? We switch on the stopwatch and we'll see 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds, how much time it is taking. So these kind of performance testing also we do. That is a different process. So before the project is go live, we test all those things, performance testing also and this kind of testing also. So this is the bug. There are some errors we found. country name is not displayed if country code is entered manually without choosing from the list in accounts. Okay, what we are telling, when we enter country name in account, I'll show you. I'll go back. Yeah, this is the account page. Click edit. This is the country name. What they are telling, when we enter country name manually, suppose I am giving India, press enter. See, India came. But what was the error in our project? When we enter country name, it won't show. See, it is coming, Pakistan is coming. But what was the error? Now I will search the country from the list. Now I will search the country name from the list. Open this small input box. Select any country, suppose Albania or something. So when we entering the country name manually, it was not showing this description. When we choose from the list, it was showing. That was the bug. So you can imagine how much depth you have to go. Same thing will test for the language also. When we type the language manually, it is showing the description or not. It should show. So we have to think like that. So this is the bug. We'll mention it is open or not. Open means we found it. When they resolve it, then it is closed. It's a kind of defect. The date when we reported it, module is SAP CRM, the person who found, language is English, like that. And here we are explaining how to found this bug. Log into CRM, click account in account management, create corporate account, individual account or something, enter country code manually, not from the input help, country code manually, country name is not displayed. Like this. See, application crashes on tapping, but that is not for us actually. That is some. So like that we'll write the different. See, they will never ask how you did, and you should be clear with the process. If they're asking what was your role in the testing, you can tell we found some. I work on account management testing or sales order testing. There we found some bug. Then we reported that bug. They can ask you how you reported the bug, how you raised the bug. You can tell them we maintain one defect tracking sheet and we uploaded in the portal, and then we had a discussion with the client. We showed them and we have taken, and whenever the bugs come, you have to take the screenshot, because you have to show the proof also on which day, which time you reported that bug. Whenever you get the bug, take the screenshot, save it. Then whenever the UAT will happen with the client, you have to show them. So that is the testing process. This is the manual testing. We do only manual testing. There is one sort of automation testing also. Automation testing is not our part. Automation means they will use some tool like Quick Test Professional or Silk Test or Test Complete. These are tool name. Quick Test Professional, Test Complete. These are the tool name. Silk Test. They write code and they do it automation. No, not identified by the customer. We will only identify the bug and client has to accept it. Or developer has to actually develop. See, if bug is coming, we'll find out what kind of bug is it. It's a functional bug or a what. So developer has to accept it. The person who develop it or who configure it, they have to accept it. That is a bug. See, whatever the thing we are doing manually, suppose what we are doing, we are going to account management. Suppose I am searching some account, this small process. For that they will write some code. So no need to do anything manually. In automation they will write code for that. So automatically cursor will come here. It will click account ID, it will find out, it will do all those things. That we call as the automation. We'll write the code for that and it will start doing. When we run the code, it will start doing the things whatever we want to. So that we call as automation. That is automation. There will be very less manual. Once the code is ready, you can run it. And automation is a long process. And there will be some software tester, they will do automation. That is not our task. Clear? Yes. They will tell us what are the fields we have to cover in testing. What are the major steps? But sometime we have to test all. In major scenario, we have to test each and every field. Okay. Okay, I'll share it. I'll share the document. I'll share this document with everyone. Okay. Now testing is done. And they can ask you the process in interview. What was your role in testing? Now you can tell at least something. Now we will start working on ORG model. ORG model means organizational model. Organizational model. This is the third master data. Vignesh, if you want, you can leave. Vignesh, because we have already covered. I'll show you one flow chart. Sorry, Vignesh.
Yeah. Thank you. So anything I will then touch base with you. I think all topics are covered. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye. You can see organizational model means in org model will configure the sales offices, sales organization, the employee which is working in that particular sales office. This kind of configuration we do. So this is some example of org model. On the top we have HUL India. Then they have divided their business into South Zone, North Zone, East and West Zone. Again, North Zone, they have different region like UP, MP region, Punjab, Haryana region. Like that, you can take more also. Again, if you scroll down, then they have area offices like Lucknow offices, Ghaziabad offices, and then and all. Again, I have created some position, like under South Zone I have created ZM South, Zonal Manager South. Here you can create Zonal Manager North, Zonal Manager East. Under UPMP region you can create Regional Manager UPMP, Regional Manager Punjab Haryana. Here you can create some Area Manager Lucknow, Area Manager Ghaziabad, like that. And what is this BP and employee, BP and user, that we will cover when we do this configuration part. So why do we configure org model? See, each and every employee of the organization will be the part of some ORG unit, some organizational unit. Like I am working for some company, some ABC company, so I am the part of that ABC Bangalore. So if company has created my data, might be they have maintained in ABC Bangalore office. Like suppose there is some 5 sales guy, they belongs to SDFC Jayanagar. So where their data is maintained in SDFC Jayanagar. If SDFC is maintaining their national data, so they will maintain where they will assign those 5 sales guy in SDFC Jayanagar Bangalore office. On the top we can give some position like Vice President India. So we have to give like that. So it will help us in business. Now, actual means Hindustan Unilever Limited. I think you heard about the company Unilever. In India, they do the business by Hindustan Unilever name. So actually, you can take any company, you can take LG, you can take Samsung, Onita, whatever you want. This is a very typical kind of sales ORG model. We have 3 types of ORG model, or you can call it as a function of ORG model. Sales, marketing and service. Okay, we have 3 types of org model: sales, marketing and service. So this is a kind of sales ORG model. You can create for the marketing also, service also. To configure this ORG model in CRM, we follow some steps. Steps to configure ORG model. First one, create division. What are the division we can take? If I am taking suppose Unilever, what division we can take? Suppose purifier, then that is one division. Another division home care. Like that you can take. They have a number of division. Second one. Create distribution channel. Example. Distribution channel means how they distribute their goods among the customer. Online sales, retail sale, direct sale, etc. Third one. Create combination of division and distribution channel. DC means distribution channel. In short, we called it as a tuple. In CRM language, combination of division and distribution channel we call as a tuple. Combination means like purifier division plus online sale. Correct? This is one combination. Home care division plus online sale. One more combination. Again purifier division plus retail sale, again purified division, sorry, home care division plus retail sale, sorry, yes, correct. 2 into 2 total 4 combination will come, simple mathematics. For these steps, create ORG model. Whatever the things, whatever the flow chart I've shown you, that flow chart will try to create. And for that, there is one T code also, PPOCA_CRM. After that, there are some more steps that we'll see when we do the configuration. First step, create division. This is our first step. If you guys are sitting with pen and paper, please note it down one by one. Or else if you want, I will send you this notepad also. Path is SPRO, IMG, CRM, master data, or management, division setting, sorry, organizational data for sales scenario, division setting, define division. Ankit, we are doing ORG model, organization model, and this kind of org model I have explained them. This model of actual India. Okay, actual India divided their business into South zone, North zone, East zone, West zone, then different regions like UP, MP region, Punjab, Haryana region, Lucknow office and Ghazi office. It can be a different one also, but this is one kind of example. So if you want to configure such kind of org model in CRM, we follow these steps. First step is create division. Some example I have taken like purified division, home care division. Then second step is create distribution channel like online sales, retail sales. Still I have not configured anything, simply I have written the steps. Third step is create combination of division and distribution channel like purified division and those things, home care division and all those things. Fourth step is create org model. Now we are doing the first step, create division. So this is the path for the create division: SPRO, IMG, CRM, master data, org management, organizational data for sales scenario, division setting and define division. This is the first step. Come to CRM. I'll close this window. SPRO. Type SPRO here. Then IMG, then CRM. So whatever I have written, I am then navigating same thing, CRM. Then master data C, then ORG management, division setting, sorry, this line will not come. It will not come. Division setting and define division. Division setting and define division. Select this. Whatever the division we have taken, we'll configure it. New entries like home care. New entries, home care division. Oh, it's already there. Okay, SD I will take, and purifier division, PD. Save it. Click save. Simple configuration, enter. Back. Second step. Create distribution channel like online sales, retail sales, and etc. Same path, just below that one. We went to division setting. Now go to organizational data for sales scenario and define distribution channel. I'll note it down here. Create distribution channel. This is our second step. Up to this path is same. Organizational data for sales scenario. Then define distribution channel. Same very simple step. Define distribution channel. New entries. Give some idea, any idea you can give. Like W sale, web sale. Another one is retail sales. Simply I am giving RT. And save it. Okay. That's it. Next step is create combination of division and distribution channel. Same kind of combination will create below that only. Directly go to new entry, distribution channel. We have WS and we have RT. WS, RT, correct? Web sales and retail sales. What are the division we have? Purifier and home care, purifier and home care. Any doubt in this step? This is the combination. Web sale with purifier division, web sale with home care division, retail sale with purifier division, retail sale with home care. Same thing. Press enter, description will come automatically. And save it. Save and enter. That's it. Next step is little bit confusing, means that is a fourth step. That we will see in our tomorrow class. Create ORG model from this step. Okay. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow at same time.